guys, and it's 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and it's very cloudy weather outside, and I just bought this Apple MacBook Air, and I'm gonna unbox it. We're gonna see what are the specifications and how it feels to use, and I will tell you this is a MacBook Air from the Apple with the 8 gigs of RAM and 250 gigs of internal storage. So okay, and with that I got this AirPod from the Apple itself. So I will tell you, I got this AirPod for a free, and how I got this AirPod for a free I will tell you at the end of the video. So I have these AirPods are like with the charging case, so you get to choose from three different options. This is the basic one, and the another is with the wireless charging case, and the third one is the AirPod Pro, which are like better than this and with the charging wireless case. So I will tell you at the end how I got this laptop for like only $740 and the AirPods for free, and these are worth of $159, and how I got all these under the $1,000. I will reveal that at the end. So why I bought this MacBook Air, the Apple. So I have been using the iPhone 12. So I know how iPhone 12 and their operating system is, and I have been using all Windows laptops previously, and I know their operating system as well. So I just want to know and learn more about the MacBook Air laptops and their operating system. So let's go guys, let's unbox this. And I have heard about this laptop that whenever, like for any other Windows laptop, whenever you want to start the laptop, you have to press the start button and then it will start. But for Apple, I have heard this, there is no start button. Whenever you open it, it will automatically get started. So I am not sure about that. Let's start and let's open it and check it now and see. Okay, there is cover, and do you see that symbol? It already started. There is, as I said, there is no start button for this. So when I open this, flip up the screen from the laptop, and it already started. Okay guys, I will just set up this later on, because I know I have to do a lot of things over here. So I will do that later. So that's the MacBook Air, and I bought it for like $740 only. And how do I got that? I will reveal at the end of the video, so watch till the end. So let's unbox this Apple AirPod. So yeah, these are the Apple AirPods, and I got these free on this laptop. And okay, so yeah, this was the actual unboxing for the Apple MacBook Air and the AirPods. Okay. So now I have just done with the setup for a MacBook Air, and the best thing is I found out that you can connect your AirPods to your laptop as well. That's a good part about the AirPods. So now I will just tell you that I have told you at the start of the video that I will just tell you how I got this laptop for $740 and how I got these AirPods for a free, which is worth of $159. Once again, I'm telling the price. So I will just walk you through the website, official Apple's website, and then you have to select Mac from the top menu bar, and now you can see here is an option to save on a Mac for a college with education pricing and get AirPods. So you have to click on shop now, and if you are a student, then you can get free AirPods with the MacBook Air or a MacBook Pro, and that's how I saved. So you have to go into shop MacBook Air, and you have to choose from two, that is space gray or like any color. Then there will be option to choose from two different configurations, 256 gigs or 512 gigs of storage, and you just have to add it over your card. And then there will be, you get an option, you have to select again what memory you want, what storage you want, and all those things. Let's say continue, and after that you get an option to choose an AirPod. So you can choose the AirPods with a charging case, which are totally free, and again you got chance to choose AirPods with a wireless charging case, which you can just get it for extra $40, and you can get AirPods Pro as well for extra $90. So you just have to select from there, and you can get the free AirPods with the MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. So that's how. I will just take you to the last menu, and here you can see this MacBook Air is for $899 and your AirPods are free, so that amount will get deducted and you will get this laptop for $740, and you can get like AirPods for worth of $159, and total will be $899, and with the taxes you just have to, after the taxes you just have to pay under 1,000. Now let's wait. Now you can see the delivery. If you want to pick up, you can pick up, and like I will just say pick up just to show you guys. App to Somerset, and I will just continue pickup details, and it will gonna ask me for my payment details on the next screen. So I can show you here. I got total amount like AirPods and the MacBook Air were total under $1,000. That is with taxes it's $952. That's it. That's the way you can get this MacBook Air or MacBook Pro and free AirPods under $1,000. Okay, so that's how I got this laptop for $740, and these AirPods, whatever price it is, $159. But if you include all together, I got this for $899 and plus taxes. So it cost around me for $950, and that's under the $1,000. So that's a good part.